Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you does Airbuds widget works with YouTube Music. So let's get started. So here I will just search for the YouTube Music. So here we will just open our YouTube Music, and here you can see like many music as you can see here. For example, I am opening this music. So if you see here, there is music here. So the song will work with your like your earbuds because it's been connected with your Bluetooth. Okay, so make sure you will connect it with your Bluetooth and you can use it. So by this way you can do. And if you have any question related to how does it connect or how does it works, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.